Welcome to day 15. Welcome to our final week of the Chopra Center 21-day meditation challenge. During our first week together, we explored the reality of abundance, its original source, which is the universe, and how we attract it through our consciousness. Last week, we learned how to attract more abundance by applying the 7 spiritual laws of success. This week, we'll expand on our foundation and discuss the many ways abundance can manifest in our lives, beginning with an understanding of how the effortless flow that occurs as seemingly unrelated events coming together can bring fulfillment to our lives. I call this merging of coincidence and destiny synchrodestiny, powerfully leveraging the intelligence of the universe that orchestrates the whole dance of creation on every scale, from the farthest reaches of the cosmos to the events of our own daily lives. One of the main principles of synchrodestiny is recognizing and celebrating this cosmic dance. Trust that there is a rhythm to life, and when we live in harmony with that rhythm, everything we desire comes to us effortlessly. In this way, we can make miracles happen with no limit and without end. Have you noticed that when things go right, they seem to continue to go right? You get the feeling you are totally aligned with the flow of the universe. What seem like coincidences pop up almost daily, and opportunities and encounters that support you arise out of the blue. That is synchrodestiny at work, the play of the universe that spreads the banquet of abundance before you. Once you relax into the rhythm of life, it's as if you are floating on the gentle current of a river, carrying you safely to shore, where everything you have ever wanted awaits you. Much like a powerful magnet, you will attract prosperity, emotional well-being, spiritual fulfillment, and a deep awareness of your life's true meaning and purpose. Pay attention to coincidences, listen to the messages they bring, and live in the abundance of synchrodestiny. Explore experiences of synchrodestiny in your own life. Consciously recall to your awareness recent coincidences that you've had. Perhaps you were just thinking about an old friend, and then she sent you an email. Or you had an idea that would help you solve a problem, and someone with the power to assist you had the same thought. Begin to notice these coincidences and see the universe at work in your life, helping you realize your dreams. As we prepare for meditation, begin to contemplate the centering thought. As I live moment awareness, I live the magic of synchrodestiny. As I live in present moment awareness, I live the magic of synchrodestiny. Now let's begin. Please find a comfortable position, placing your hands lightly in your lap and closing your eyes. In this moment, go within to that place of inner quiet where we experience our connection to the higher self. Let go of all thoughts and begin to observe the inflow and outflow of your breath. With each inhalation and exhalation, allow yourself to become more relaxed, more comfortable, more at peace. Gently introduce today's Sanskrit mantra, repeating it mentally and allowing it to flow with effortless ease. Aham Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. The core of my being is the ultimate reality. Aham Brahmasmi. Whenever you find yourself distracted by thoughts, sensations in your body, or noises in the environment, simply return your attention to mentally repeating the mantra, Aham Brahmasmi. Please continue with your meditation. I'll mind the time, and at the end you'll hear me ring a soft bell to indicate it's time to release the mantra. Aham Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. It's time to release the mantra. Please bring your awareness back into your body. take a moment to rest, inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. As you continue with your day, carry this feeling of synchrodestiny with you, reminding yourself of our centering thought for the day. As I live in present moment awareness, I live the magic of synchrodestiny. As I live in present moment awareness, I live the magic of synchrodestiny. As I live in present moment awareness, I live the magic of synchrodestiny. Namaste.ความ